Bitcoin spot demand crashes to $220 million as ETF inflows decline 25%. Is the bull run dead? Bitcoin ETFs. Bitcoin spot demand crashes to minus $220 million as ETF inflows decline 25%, with RSI falling to 35.8, sparking bull run death concerns amid $800 million outflows. Crypto journalist Hassan. Crypto journalist Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 6, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin's recent price momentum has significantly weakened, with spot market demand plummeting from minus $107.1 million to minus $220.0 million. This dramatic shift resulted from mounting sell-side pressure and has sparked widespread concern among market participants about whether the crypto bull run is dead. The deteriorating liquidity conditions have also impacted the ETF market, which experienced a substantial 25% drop in record inflows to $269.4 million, falling well below the lower threshold, according to Glassnode's latest Bitcoin market analysis. Glassnode reveals, Bitcoin RSI crashes to 35.8 as $13 billion volume evaporates. Glassnode's August 4th report showed that spot market conditions deteriorated markedly as the RSI declined from 47.4 to 35.8. Falling beneath its lower band and indicating oversold conditions. This weakness coincided with a reduction in spot volume from $8.4 billion to $7.5 billion, suggesting a cooling of Bitcoin's euphoric phase as the asset pulled back from its $123,218 peak to $110,000 lows on August 5th. These developments, combined with over $800 million in Bitcoin ETF outflows, representing the second-largest single-day withdrawal in these products' history as previously reported, have intensified fears that the crypto market may have peaked and bear market conditions are emerging. Even traditionally optimistic crypto investors who typically view weak price action as buying opportunities have begun taking profits and reducing their risk exposure. On August 3rd, crypto billionaire and Maelstrom Fund CIO Arthur Hayes disclosed that he had recently liquidated $8.32 million worth of ETH, $4.62 million in Athena ENA, and $414,700 of the meme token Pepe, with $22.95 million now held in USDC stablecoin, according to Arkham intelligence data. When influential whales and key opinion leaders are actively booking profits, it naturally raises questions about whether the market has reached its cyclical peak. Bull run is not dead. MEXC analyst defends $100,000 Bitcoin floor. However, industry experts like MEXC exchange chief analyst Sean Young maintain that the current crypto bull cycle remains intact. When Cryptonews questioned him about market conditions, Young explained that Bitcoin's struggle to maintain key levels and increase demand for downside protection through the options market indicates a more cautious, risk-averse trading environment rather than complete capitulation or structural breakdown. He emphasized that while ETF outflows from Bitcoin products reflect near-term uncertainty, the long-term bullish narrative remains fundamentally sound. Young outlined his bullish thesis to address market concerns, stating that the bull market framework stays valid as long as Bitcoin maintains above $100,000 and institutional demand across digital assets doesn't completely evaporate. However, he cautioned that a decisive break above $116,000 on Bitcoin or fresh catalysts from the Federal Reserve or global liquidity expansion would be necessary for a push toward new all-time highs. Young also provided insights into the evolving corporate treasury landscape in crypto. Companies like Bitmine, currently the largest public holder of ETH with approximately $3 billion, Verb and Sequins have moved beyond experimental approaches to implement comprehensive blockchain-native treasury strategies. The trend extends beyond Bitcoin alone. Ethereum, Toncoin, BNB, and SOL are increasingly being incorporated as companies align their reserves with the digital finance ecosystem. Young referenced Bernstein projections suggesting that corporate Bitcoin investments could reach $330 billion by 2029, a figure comparable to substantial traditional finance sectors. Noon's CEO, bull markets don't end until conviction collapses. Ray Youssef, CEO of Bitcoin P2P marketplace Noons, also challenged assertions that the crypto bull market is over. Youssef emphasized that recent market corrections represent natural consequences of overheating in a market still highly susceptible to macroeconomic narratives. According to him, the market is experiencing its first genuine test of structural conviction. ETF outflows and declining spot volumes suggest this correction may have additional room to develop in the near term. However, bull markets don't conclude when price action stagnates. They end when market conviction collapses. Nevertheless, regulatory clarity is improving, stablecoin infrastructure is maturing, and real-world asset tokenization is accelerating. Youssef noted. These developments have reinforced the bull cycle's structural integrity. From a technical perspective, Bitcoin's 4-hour chart, BTC/USD, shows that significant liquidity has accumulated in the purple zone around $116,000 to $118,000, with fair value gaps, FVG, marked by repeated wicks and rejections. Should a near-term bullish move fill this FVG and test overhead liquidity, the price will likely revisit the lower green FVG zone near $111,000 to $112,000. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Japan's first Bitcoin XRP ETF set to launch. Is this the trigger for $100 XRP? XRP price prediction. XRP climbs as Bitcoin stalls. Could $10 come this week? Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Cardano by the end of 2025. Industry talk. Ethereum price prediction. $419 million in sell pressure hits ETH. Is the bull market over? 15 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Price analysis. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, and Solana by the end of 2025. 2 days ago. By Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Crypto price prediction today, August 7th. XRP, Cardano, WorldCoin. 7 hours ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 2 days ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.